Good day, everyone. So, our topic for today is about rules for obtaining terms in sequence. The objectives at the end of the lesson, the student shall be able to formulate the rule for finding the next term in a sequence by looking for pattern. First is sequence. So, what is sequence? Sequence is an ordered list of numbers. Each number in the sequence is called a term. The three dots means to continue forward in the pattern. Next is example of the sequence is 3, 5, 7, 9, and the 3 dot. So first, the 3 is we call first term. Not only 3 but kahit anong number dito is pwede natin siyang tawaging first term kahit 1 to 100 pa yan. Ang tinatawag natin dito is first term. The 5 is we called second term. Any number of these in this area or this term, kahit pa 1 to 100 din ang nandito, is tinatawag natin siyang second term kasi ito yung first term, then second term, then ano ang tawag natin sa number 7? Number 7 is tinatawag nating third term. So, ano naman sa number 9? So, di ba tandaan, this is first term, second term, third term. So, what is 9? This is fourth term. So the three dot is this is read as and so on. The three dot is read as in so on. So next, example of a sequence by looking for pattern. So number 1 is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. So our pattern is plus 2. Why plus 2? Because in the first term, 1, when we add 2, the result is 3. Then next pattern is plus 3. Why 3? Because when we add 3 in second term, the result is 6. Then our next pattern is plus 4. Why plus 4? Because when we add 4 in the third term, the result is 10. So, our next pattern is plus 5. Why plus 5? Because when we add 5 in the fifth term, when we add 5 in the fourth term, the result is 15. So, our next pattern is plus 6. Why plus 6? Because when we add 6 in the 15, the result is 21. What is the possible next term? What is the possible seventh term? The possible seventh term is 7. Not 7. We do this as when we do this add 7 in the 21, the result is 29. So that means our seventh term is 29. So example of role is this is our sequence 3, 5, 7, 9. Start at 3 and goes up 2 every time. So we start at 3 and goes up 2. So we do that add 2. So we do add 2. So when we add 2 into 3 is equal 5. So our second term is equal 5. It is same. So next we do is when we add 2 into 5 is equal 7. So the third term is 7. So next is 7. When we add 2 into 7 is equal 9. So our fourth term is equal 9. So what is possible next term? So our possible next term is we add 2 into 9. The result is 11. So that is our possible possible fifth term. Example, this is our sequence. So sa example A, 3, 6, 9, 12. So our role is every term after the first is obtained by adding 3 to the number preceding it. So 0 plus 3 is equal 3. 3 plus 3 is equal 6. 6 plus 3 is equal 9. Every term after the first is obtaining by adding 3 to the number preceding it. 0 plus 3 is equal 3. 3 plus 3 is equal 6. 6 plus 6 is equal 3. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 9 is equal 6 plus 6 plus 3 is equal 9. So every term, the first is obtaining by adding 3. So we start in 0. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 3 is equal 3. Then 3 plus 3 is equal 6. 6 plus 3 is equal 9. 9 plus 3 is equal 12. So next three terms is 15, 18, 21. Why 15, 18, and 21? Because when we add 3 in the 12, the next term is 15. When we add 3 in the 15, the next term is 18. When we add 3 in the 18, the next term is 21. So that's why our next three term is 15, 18. Our next three term is 15, 18, 21. So example B is our sequence is 1, 4, 9, 16. Multiply the counting number by itself. That is square the counting number. So 1 times 1 is equal 1. So 2 times 2 is equal 4. So 3 times 3 is equal 9. So next is our next three term is equal 25, 36, 49. Why 25, 36, 29? Because we multiply the term, then that because we multiply the counting number by itself. This is square the counting number. So first is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Our fifth term is 5 times 5 is equal 25. So our sixth term is 6 times 6 is equal 36. So our next term is 7. So 7 times 7 is equal 49. So that is our answer, the next three terms. So example C, our sequence is 1, 2, 4, 7. After 1 and 2, add the previous two number, then plus 1. So first is 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal 4. So 1 plus 2, then add 1 plus 1 is equal 4. So next is 2 plus 4 plus 1 is equal 7. So the next three terms is equal 12, 20, 33. Why 12, 20, 33? We do this to plus 1 to add the previous two number, then plus 1. So for example, 7 plus 4 is equal 11 plus 1 is equal 12. So next is 12 plus 7 is equal 19 plus 1 is equal 20. So next is 20 plus 12 is equal 32 plus 1 is equal 33. That why this is our next three term. So example D, 1, our sequence is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Our role is multiply the previous term by 2. 1 times 2 is equal to 2 times 2 is equal 4. Then 4 times 4 is equal 8. 8 times 8 is equal 16. So our next three term is 16 times 16 is equal. Now 16 times 2 is equal 32. 32 times 2 is equal 64. 64 times 2 is equal 128. That why this is our next three term for the sequence 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. So next is activity. The activity is give the first term in the rule, make a sequence consisting of four terms. This is activity A. Then you can pause this video to answer this activity, and when you want to see your score or your answer is correct, you can see the answer of this activity at the end of this lecture. So activity B is give the pattern or role for generating in each sequence. As I see earlier, you can see the answer, the final answer of this activity at the end of the video lecture. Then you can first this activity to answer properly. Next, what is Mathway? Mathway is the word Smarty Math calculator for algebra, graphing calculator, and more. Mathway gives you unlimited access to math solutions that can help you understand complex concepts, simply point your camera and snap a photo or type your math homework question for step-by-step answer. So next is how to use Mathway. Steps 1 is install the ICT tools. Steps 2 is open the apps. How to use Mathway Mathway keyboard. So step 3, click this. Step 3 is click this keyboard because these are three types: keyboard, camera, and story. So the type of this keyboard is, first is this is enter a problem. Second is voice record. This called voice record. Next is clear all. This is called clear all. Next is submit. Next is choices of topic. You can choose what you want topic: algebra, keyboard, or calculus, or anything topic. Next is keyboard typing. This is called our keyboard typing. Next, Mathway keyboard step 4, type your problem. So you can click this and type your problem in the keyboard. Next is step 6, click this to find the fifth term or sixth term of your problem. So this is fifth term and sixth term. So next is step 7, click the see solution. So click this to see your solution. So this is the solution. Identify the sequence, then use the formula to find the specific term. So our next term is 15. So yan. How to use Mathway camera. Step 1, write the problem in the clear paper. Scan math problem for instant result. Step 2 is click that to find the fifth term or sixth term. It's similar to Matway keyboard. But this is the Matway camera. You cannot type your problem. You can easily scan your problem. The Matway keyboard is you can type your problem. So next is the solution. So the solution is SIM2 keyboard Matway keyboard 15 because there are same problem. The sequence is 3, 6, 9, 12. So that's all. Thank you everyone and good day.